Would you believe that the Nobel Peace Prize, the most prestigious award ever given to anybody on this planet, is related to dynamite? Welcome to the 1%, where we learn something about everything. In 1866, an American railroad company that was constructing a tunnel through the mountains of Nevada encountered a very hard rock and decided to use the only material they knew that could do the job: nitroglycerin. In the course of transportation of this nitroglycerin, they stopped at the postal center, and upon accidentally dropping the crate of this nitroglycerin, it immediately exploded, killing the 5 people present. Immediately, everybody took note. Nitroglycerin was highly shock sensitive. So because of this, it was also banned from being transported. If you need to use it, you have to construct it and make it on site, which also cost, a lot of deaths and explosions. The history of nitroglycerin is riddled with sad events. It was first synthesized in 1847 by Ascanio Rubbero, an Italian chemist. When he discovered his findings, he was so shocked that he even refused to publish things about it because he felt that nobody would be able to handle its power. But nitroglycerin was in high demand. Along the line, a Swedish chemist known as Alfred Nobel, pay attention to that name, Alfred Nobel, he came into the picture. Nobel's company was already moving iron and steel exclusively from companies that made all these artilleries, tanks, armors, shells, and all these things. He began experimenting, but it came at a cost. In 1864, it exploded and killed his own younger brother and other workers. But Alfred Nobel moved on. Tried to combine it with gunpowder and call it blasting oils, but yet accidents kept happening and the explosions were still killing people. Yet he continued. His factory was destroyed on 2 occasions. Yet he continued. But the breakthrough finally came when Nobel's company mixed liquid nitroglycerin with an inactive absorbent silicate sand known as diatomaceous earth. This combination made nitroglycerin to become easier to handle, and because it was solid, it was easier to transport. So he patented it and called it dynamite, which came from a Greek word, dyna, which means power. So Alfred Nobel's wealth also came from making of weapons of destruction, and it greatly disturbed him. When Alfred Nobel died, single and childless, he specified that his vast fortune, which as of today would worth about $200 million, should be set aside for prizes known as Nobel Prizes. These prizes will be conferred on those who confer the greatest benefit on mankind in physics, chemistry, peace, medicine, and literature. His strategy worked, and the prizes, those awards, are now considered one of the most prestigious awards in the world.